A whole house or central humidifier is connected to your home's hot air ducts and cold air return to disperse moisture into the air. They can work with your HVAC system or independently and offer a number of benefits such as energy and money savings, decreased chance of colds, flu, and respiratory illness, and support for people with allergies or asthma. Today I'm going to address some common questions we receive from customers. Number 1, should my humidifier run all night? And the answer is yes. If you're monitoring the humidity levels in your home, it's safe to run your humidifier 24/7. An indoor relative humidity level between 30 or 40% is recommended in the winter. Number 2, how do I know if my humidifier is working? There are a couple ways to determine if your humidifier is working properly. First, when the humidifier turns on, you'll hear an audible click, followed by the sound of the humidifier fan starting up. You can also check the water is running through the drain tube and make sure it's flowing out at the bottom towards the drain. Number 3, why isn't my humidifier getting water? And the answer is, if the humidistat is incorrectly set or isn't working properly, the humidistat may be defective. Turn the humidistat to the highest setting and listen for a click. If you don't hear a click, this indicates that the electrical contacts inside the humidistat are not closing. If you do hear a click, but the humidifier still won't fill with water, it is more likely that another part is defective. For more information about central humidifiers and troubleshooting support, give us a call at 515-244-8911.